Today, I'll walk you step by step through how to set up direct deposit on your MoneyLion account. I'm opening the app live so you can follow along exactly as shown. Once the app loads, you'll start on the home screen. Look toward the bottom left corner and you'll see the home icon. From here, there are a few different ways to access direct deposit, but I'll show you the fastest method. Go to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the 3 stacked lines. This opens the main menu and takes you directly into your settings. Scroll down until you see the Money Management section. Just below that, you'll find Direct Deposit. Tap anywhere on that option or simply press the arrow on the right. You're now on the Direct Deposit Setup page. If this screen doesn't load immediately, don't worry. Give it a few seconds and it should appear. At the top, you'll see the option to connect your employer automatically. MoneyLion supports many popular employers and payroll systems like Walmart, Uber, ADP, Workday, and even certain U.S. government positions. If your employer is listed, you can log in and link your payroll instantly. If automatic setup isn't available for you, no problem. Scroll all the way down and select Set up Direct Deposit manually. On this screen, you'll see 2 critical details, your routing number and your account number. These are what your employer needs to send payments directly to your MoneyLion account. You can copy these numbers and give them to your employer, or you can send a direct deposit form straight from the app, making the entire process quick and hassle-free. Once your direct deposit is set up, you'll unlock some major benefits. You can get paid up to 2 days early, and you may also qualify for up to $1,000 in instant cash advances through MoneyLion. There's a lot more you can do with your MoneyLion account, and we've got more tutorials ready for you. Check out the next video on your screen to keep learning and get the most out of your account.